So the start of Blubelle, I had the idea we'd like a family van, and we went to Burning Man.
A crazy festival in the desert, and you got very inspired, didn't you, by some of the art cars?
They have art cars which are just artistic, created vehicles that you drive around in the desert in, and it was that sort of feeling and my love for wood that gave this notion of maybe we can create something. And as a performer you have to learn to fix things on the fly, and I had some very good friends that are multi-talented, incredible sort of people that I pulled in to help me make it. Over 2 years we designed, redesigned, redesigned and made the vehicle as it stands. Everything is bespoke. From a point of materials, I wanted everything as recycled as I could. We coppiced the hazel, which is the beams on the van, from just down the road. All the plywood came from an office block that was being pulled down. The wood burner was recycled steel from scrapyards. All the copper as well is recycled copper. There were little bits of the hazel that we sort of thought, we could make that, you know, so we ended up making things for the wood. There's a little light switch that we've used, like a noggin of hazel as well, which is really cute. It was just a little bit that we saw, we could use that as a light, you know. Because you're starting from fresh, you can look at these things and go, what can we use that for? It's this shape. It was designed in that way. What I really focused on is I wanted it to be off-grid, so we've put a big solar panel on the roof. To this day, it's been out for weeks at a time, even in the winter, and no one has had to hook up.
Every little feature's got its own little quirk. I just love the way that everything fits together very organically. I like the bunk beds very much. So the children's bunk beds are fun, also because you can either have both of them down, you can fold both of them up.
I think the nice thing about Quaker campers in general is the people that will hire this kind of campervan are maybe more artistic, or more creative, or more interesting people than the normal people that would just go to a caravan site.
I think it's been really nice meeting the diverse and different people that come and hire the van.